See, there are some sections which have been brought in the Town and Country Planning Act, which are the basic source of corruption. These sections permit you, when there is an existing plan of the lifetime of if the lifetime of a plan is over, that plan continues till such time the new plan comes in. Okay. But what is happening is, by these sections, they are changing zones, they are changing change of user, they are permitting additional, we call it FSI in here,
we call FAR
FAR, in places where you can't utilize it, and everything for a price. And I think every Goan knows about this. It's not something that I am saying. And who's paying for this? And for whom are you constructing these buildings or development? Is it for the Goan people? Most Goan people have their houses and their homes. Okay, though sometimes people had gone to the Gulf, etc., had brought some flats earlier thinking that they are going to get some additional revenue out of that. But today what is happening is, Goans are not occupying this. Tum Bishol wasanta, some 100 plots, 200 plots, atyam Bishol lokak. They are not for them. And we are not thinking, see, vichar karpa jai. Are you going to displace your identity by bringing influx of hundreds of people? If there are, amke Wadia ek 50 garje asat, you are going to bring another 100 houses of I will not say everybody has the right to come in India.
Yeah, but they are not natives of that place. And natives of the state also.
And do you require to see, everywhere in town planning, sometimes they will say in these areas, high story building will not be there. Why? Maintain the natural character of the place.
Yeah.
And they are going asle.
Yeah.
In all our villages, this was there. Until now, suddenly, in Gaon, some buildings are coming up.